Hey everybody, just a quick update, quick video here, and of course as soon as I start recording I got some sort of big diesel vehicle coming up behind me. There, I took a little break, let it get past. Anyhow, I wanted to do an update. I bought some backpacking gear. I plan on hiking the North Country Trail, and also I may do some bike packing. Take my e-bike out and travel with that. I mentioned that in my previous video, but that's something I might do. Probably do more backpacking though. So I got some gear and got a tent, and now I'm on a kind of a shakedown camp overnight, and I am along the St. Lucie River on a tent site at a Corps of Engineers campground. And the Corps of Engineers is here because there's locks. There's the St. Lucie lock system here, and there's a canal that goes from over by Stewart and then comes inland. Then it goes down a canal through the center of the state and ends up in Lake Okeechobee. You can take a boat, travel across Lake O, and then enter another canal system and end up in the Gulf of America. So you can travel clear across the state in a boat using this canal system, and the locks are maintained by the Corps of Engineers. And it's typical. Corps of Engineers usually has some pretty nice campsites, and there's RV parking here too. There's some motorhomes in here. There's not a lot of campsites, but there's a few. There's three or four tent sites here, and maybe, I don't know, 8 or 10 sites for travel trailers and RVs. But it's pretty quiet, and the river is beautiful, and it's getting a little dark, but maybe I can give you some idea. Oh, there's also boat camping here too. I'm going to flip the camera around and give you some idea what we got here. So this is the St. Lucie River. And looking over my big Agnes tent here, you can see boats, and you can see I guess there's a dam and there's the lock system down there. The lock system is a little closer to this shore, the shore that I'm on, so it's hard to see. You have to see through the boats really to see the locks, but pretty cool. And I haven't seen too much boat traffic. There was some earlier here today, small boats, pontoon, going through the locks, but yeah, interesting. It looks like a really nice clear night, and I'm kind of looking forward to it because we'll see how much ambient light there is, and we'll see how much what kind of a show the stars can put on here for us tonight, and hopefully it's a good one. So I'll pan around here, and you can get a look at the tent. And with an air mattress and a quilt. And a hiking pole there holding the flap open. Here I'm going to stop everything for a second and then get out of my chair and give you a better view of things. Okay, up about 3 foot taller than when I was sitting down, maybe a little more, so a little better view. And you can see the locks a little better, I think. Maybe not much. I'll have to take a walk down there maybe tomorrow morning, see what we can see. But got a beautiful sunset going on. Taking a look down the river. Coming around to do a 360 here. Little cabana, picnic table. And now the mosquitoes are starting to come out. So there's a few RV spots over there. So it's not like out in the woods in the backcountry here. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some mosquito spray out and take care of that. So they're here. All right, talk to you later. Good morning from the St. Lucie River. I'm here at the campsite. I had to call it quits last night. The mosquitoes all of a sudden became really bad, so I had to jump out and get in the tent. So take a little tour around here, at least not too far, but take a little tour and show you what morning's like here after my gear checkout. See how this gear works. Want to make sure everything works good and properly before I hit a trail somewhere to go on an overnight. So checking things out. Okay, trying to catch a boat going through the locks here. And he just entered the locks. Not a very good view of the locks, other than you can see the approach. And two boats just came out, and I didn't get here in time to capture that on video. And they're down there a ways. Yeah, the boat we just saw go into the locks is quite a ways down into them. No, not a lot to see. And I know the area there. You can't walk up to the locks really, because it's all fenced in. It's Army Corps of Engineers stuff, and they have all the security there, so you can't get close to it. And I don't know, the fences are out there. So anyhow, the night at the campground was good. I slept pretty well, stayed warm. The temperature here got down to 55. Now for some of you who watch this, that's warm temperatures, but down here in South Florida, that's could be a little chilly for us. So, but my sleep system worked well, stayed warm. Beautiful. This is a really pretty area. Yeah, we're down near Stuart, Florida. If you ever get down by Stuart, Florida, come over by the locks here and take a look around. Corps of Engineers. There's a private campground just on the other side of the locks. And then, of course, I mentioned this campground here, which is a great deal. I have the National Park Pass. Cost me $10 for the night, so that's quite a deal. And I was talking to one of the guys here at the park, and he has a motorhome, and he looked at a campsite at the private campground here on the other side of the locks, and he said it was $60 a night to stay there versus 10. Now I'm in a tent, but I don't know what they charge for a motorhome. Maybe a little more, but probably not much. Again, that's a great deal. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'm glad to have you. We're shooting right into the sun here. Get out of the sun. Okay, thanks for joining me. Glad to have you. I hope you can subscribe or like the video. That would be appreciated. And until next time, until the next adventure, I'll see you all later. Bye bye for now.